To a primetime news follow-up now. 1 year after heavy rainfall and landslides destroyed homes in Shooters Hill, Bull Bay, St. Andrew, some residents are still trying to pick up the pieces. But as Anthony Lugg now reports, that has not been easy.
October 26, 2020, Shooters Hill, St. Andrew was ravaged by heavy rains. Residents tried saving what they could.
Crazy landslide. I'm more than about 17, 20 hours up on the hill get destroyed. Everybody on that side and mash up.
We never knew something like this would happen.
The incident claimed the lives of 15-year-old Sanika Leachman and her father. Their bodies were found buried in dirt after their house collapsed.
My hopes have gone down, but what I thank God for is that we found our body and we can't get to put them to rest.
1 year later, signs of the devastation still linger. Overgrown vegetation has taken over these houses where persons once called home. While some have relocated, others like Rosemary Leachman remain in the area because she has nowhere to go.
As soon as the rain starts falling, my body begins to shiver. Talking to you know me even shivering. My body begins to shiver. It's like I want to stay in nowhere up here so when the rain is falling.
Even a year after the ordeal, some residents tell us picking up the pieces remains a task.
Still don't live anywhere, so it's rough and it's hard. It's hard, man. I know it's easy something for cope with.
$2.8 million gone in one night for me. As a little youth I try, it take me 20 odd years to put that together. Hard work and dedication, sufferation, blood, sweat and tears.
Shooters Hill has since been declared a no-building zone by the Kingston and St. Andrew municipality. In a social media post in June this year, Member of Parliament for East Rural St. Andrew Juliet Holness stated that families affected by the devastation have been temporarily relocated while a plan was being formulated for a permanent solution. Now we tried to get an update from the East Rural St. Andrew MP. However, up to news time, she did not respond to our query.
They just come around, take information, ask us questions, but we still don't know what's going on now.
For the last 4 or 5 times now, we go over the same thing. Them say them have to revamp it, the part program people, them Red Cross, FCC. You understand?
As these and other residents await the permanent solution from the government, they're desperately seeking some assistance.
Whatever way you can help me. You know some people have a black and something where them not have no use for it. So yeah, that would have good. You have some black, you have some steel, you have some ply, anything available, cash, it no matter.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.